The brain has the extraordinary ability to get accustomed to anything. When you encounter something immoral, scornful, uncomfortable, or frightening the first time, you detest it and find it impossible to accept, or you get scared and your heart outraces itself. However, if you are permanently exposed to this new situation, you eventually start to get accustomed to it and your brain will stop overreacting. Your heart will beat at its normal rate and your blood pressure will remain stable. During the first year of studies, a friend of mine fainted when she entered the dissecting room. 1 week later, she was doing anatomical dissection. 2 weeks later, she was having her snack just outside the dissecting room, just a few meters away from the dead body. Another friend of mine was working at an elderly care during her vacation to patch up her budget before the next year at university. At the beginning, she was nauseated and almost fainted when she had to clean physically disabled patients after they had emptied their bowels. 2 weeks later, she was having her snack in the same room. When you met top management the first time, you were probably intimidated, verbally paralyzed, and you most likely made a bad first impression on them. However, after a few encounters, you simply got used to them and their attitude and realized that they were not as frightening as you had thought. What is the moral? When you repeat something on a continual basis, your brain gets used to it. So if you want to induce belief or faith in yourself, then you simply need to repeat affirmation of belief to yourself on a regular basis. Remember, you do not have to actually experience the situation. You just need to create it in your mind. Say to yourself that you believe you can achieve your goals. You believe you have the internal resources to follow through, go past the obstacles, and reach your target. Once these thoughts are coupled with true emotions, the brain will get the message and work towards fulfilling your expectations. You become more confident, more motivated, and more passionate. And this is what pushes you to start your task. This is what makes you get up and continue when you stumble over obstacles. This is how you destroy procrastination. In addition, you can delve into the past and recall situations when you were strong, confident, and had the willpower to achieve your goals. Remember, we all had such situations in our lives. Recapture these past images. See and feel the confidence and motivation you had at that time. Recall the way you were looking, feeling, talking, and walking. When you do so, you will begin to feel more and more confident that you can achieve your goals. Once the belief is back, you will move forward without procrastinating. Seek and you will find. Seek empowering things from the past and you will gain faith in yourself. Seek these empowering things and you will become intimidated and insecure and tend towards procrastination. Remember, procrastination can be beaten if you manage your mind properly. If your brain can get accustomed to anything, then make sure it gets accustomed to the right thing.